Hello, hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys have some thick 4C hair that's very hard to manage and can't get the clip-ins just right. Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get that done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, my loves, let's just get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. I haven't had a perm in over 5 years, so guess what? This is natural, thick 4C hair that we're working with. So, it's gonna be a challenge, period, to get your hair to match or even become close to these clip-ins. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. That's where you find it, but you can find any and everything from Amazon. With this hairstyle, my loves, I want to do something quick, something easy, but something that looks professional, that looks like, oh, it's popping. It's not too hot around your neck. This hair is light. It actually, you can't even feel the hair. So with me, I like short hairstyles. I like short hair, period, because I don't want a lot to be touching my neck because I'm a sweater. I get hot fast. Short hair works perfectly for me. We're going to be using black control around our edges just so we can tame the flyaways, just so we'll get our edges looking nice and neat when we put our hair up. You guys watch my arms, watch my fingers and hands. This braiding it this way is going to be a challenge, so please watch it carefully, rewind it, stop it, and just look at it very, very carefully. I'm telling you, it is a challenge. While braiding this also, do not braid too tight because we're going to try to pull all of the braids apart to make it look a little thicker and fuller. Okay, you guys, as you can see, my hair is kind of straight. It's the straightest it's gonna get, definitely with this flat iron. Remember, we don't want a lot of heat on our head, so don't do this too much. Make sure that your flat iron is on medium, not too high and not too low. All we're going to do with these clip-ins is we're just going to comb them out and then just place them and clip them. That's it, and that's all. So simple, so easy. Bam. And we're going to continue to repeat the process, you guys. Please be careful with flat iron your hair. You don't want to burn yourself. Be careful. Another thing, sweethearts, when I am placing these clip-ins on, I am making sure like the edges I'm making sure the clip-ins is not all the way to the edge. So I can be able to cover it up even better. It'll be easier to hide. Grab yourself a little scarf and tie it around the edges so you can cover up the braid. We're just going to push the braid down a little bit with the scarf and make our edges a little more compact. And there you have it, my love. These are the final results. Thank you so much for tuning in on these natural looking clip-ins on thick 4C hair. If you like this video, my loves, please don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.